Lessons learned. So, as we have discussed different but essential practices that can make you a successful remote worker, and why remote working is beneficial for both employees and employers, and businesses as well, both small or corporate. That is what we talked about. Manage your schedule daily, starting the day by creating your daily plan for work, designating a workspace with fewer distractions, and establishing creative, flexible routines to accomplish your work goals and meet your personal and professional deadlines. Utilize the extraordinary technology to maintain clear communication, video chats, milestones, and deadlines will help you become a remote working success. You have also emphasized the positive impact on mental and physical health by having a more creative, flexible work-life balance schedule, rather than an antiquated 9-to-5 office job. Deviating from the traditional workspace and daily office working into a contemporary remote worker has only further been influenced by the recent pandemic. Remote workers are the future. The flexible schedule allows for more creativity and productivity, not to mention the savings. Both employers and employees save on so many expenditures, such as travel costs, office utilities, and the environment is enjoying a nice break from all the toxic emissions from daily commuting from the masses. With so many positive impacts and modern technological advances, will more businesses transition fully to remote work? That's my question. My answer is most likely. Remote work has proven to increase productivity, happiness, and health among remote workers. Well, why wouldn't businesses want this? Dispelling the myths that remote workers are unproductive, reclusive, and lazy. Remote workers have a better work-life balance, improved mental health, and more productivity than most workers in the traditional 9-to-5 office environment. Business News Daily's Sami Karamela wrote, according to researchers, the average remote worker saved more than $4,500 on yearly fuel costs only. The lack of a daily commute also led to a slight decrease in maintenance costs, with remote workers spending $55 a month versus $59 per month office workers spent. Additionally, it helps the environment by decreasing the number of people taking cars, trains, and buses to and from the office. Along with cost savings, respondents said they noticed that they had more free time once their commutes were eliminated. On average, remote workers employees said they had an extra 17 days worth of free time as a result of becoming a remote worker. As you can see, the remote worker has a significant and positive impact on the modern and future workforce and society. Besides the happier and healthier employee, the environment and the environmental impacts are exponential and exceptional. Additionally, the cost effectiveness of remote work is undeniable for both employee, businesses, companies, and employers. Welcome to the new workflow. Answering the question to be or not to be a remote worker is quite simply be a remote worker. The more contemporary workspace, creative schedules, and better work-life balance is key to a happy work and home life. Gone are the days of the mundane and traditional office space with that unproductive 9-to-5 schedule. Living outside the box will increase the remote worker's happiness if the essential rules are being followed. Being productive stems from organization and planning. Be organized and plan your days according to the workload at hand. Designate a specific workspace inside your home. Maintain some order in this workspace and limit distractions. Honor your designated work times as well. Let the productivity flow from your creative at-home workspace.